Hi everyone, this is C. Welcome to Real Mandarin. Today's lesson is gold. Why I said that? Because it's about Chinese sentence structure and word order. If you learn this, you can make any sentences you want. I know it might be a little confusing sometimes, but I promise you guys, after watch this video, you will know everything you want. So without further ado, let's look at today's lesson. The English structure is subject plus verb plus object plus time plus place. I study Chinese every day online. In a Chinese sentence, you actually just move the time and place, put them after the subject. It becomes subject plus time plus place plus verb plus object. I every day online study Chinese. 我每天在网上学习中文。It's super simple, right? And sometimes you might see the time and place that will appear in front of the subject as well. And now you guys can make any sentences just by following this structure. You guys might still be a little confused, but don't worry, let's look at more examples. She's doing makeups. It's just a short sentence. She is the subject. Doing is the verb and makeups is the object. So in Chinese, it's the same structure. 她在化妆. 她 means she. 在 represent the present tense. 化 is the action for makeups. It's the verb. And makeups is the object. 她在化妆. By the way, I will make a video about tenses really soon. So please subscribe my channel and don't miss it. And let's look at more examples. I go to library every day. Subject plus verb plus object plus time. And in Chinese, just move the time in front of the verb. It becomes subject plus time plus verb plus object. 我 I 每天 every day 去 go 图书馆 library. 我每天去图书馆. 我每天去图书馆. Do you like spicy food? Subject plus verb plus object. Even though this is a question, but it will be still the same order. You just simply add ma at the end. 你喜欢辣的食物吗? 你喜欢辣的食物吗? If you guys would like to know how to make interactive sentences, how to ask questions, in my next video, I will teach you guys everything about it. So please subscribe my channel again. Next example, she works at the mall. It's subject plus verb plus place. And in Chinese, you just move the place in front of the verb. It becomes subject plus place plus verb. 她在商场工作. 她在商场工作. Next, you make this sentence. He found his girlfriend on Tinder. He, subject, found, verb, his girlfriend, object, on Tinder, place. 他 he found 找到 his girlfriend 他的女朋友 on Tinder 在 Tinder 上. Please put them in order. It will become subject plus place plus verb plus object. 他在 Tinder 上找到他的女朋友. Perfect, because you guys already know everything about word order now. So please use the format subject plus time plus place plus verb plus object. Leave that in the comment area. And please don't forget to subscribe my channel. Thanks for watching and see you guys next time. 再见。